Thank you guys for checking out the channel again. Welcome back. We're here at another quick install. This time the fog lights. So I have this wrap that I purchased from Taco Vinyl, and it's going to be an amber matte matching color. We'll match that and the ditch lights that are wrapped as well. We'll go ahead and get started. One install. Alright guys, there's the install. Everything's matching. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.